Hey, it's time to put our AVS rock chip deflector, as far as I'm concerned, onto my 2019 Ford Edge. It is a little different. It's nothing more than a stick-on. It just got double-sided tape on the back, but we do have to do some surface prep. And some of the things I'm trying to avoid here are these little tiny nicks all the way across the paint here that I get while driving down the road. There are just little tiny nicks in the paint from all the rocks and other debris that you hit, and I just want to keep the leading edge just a little bit cleaner. Longevity, I don't know how long this thing's going to stay on here. We have enclosed alcohol pads, not the type that you want to chew on or drink, and surface prep must be used on vehicle prior to installation. Apparently if you don't do it, then it may fly off on you because it's not held on by much. And also stop and read the instruction sheet carefully for proper installation. Wet out, apply pressure to the tape from the center of the shield towards the end to avoid binding. I guess if you went from the outside in, it would sort of bubble up, and yeah, that wouldn't be good. So we'll start from the center and work our way out. But we do have our alcohol prep pads, and gosh, don't even know what percentage. Oh, it's 70%. And then we have a surface prep pad that contains cyclohexane, xylene, ethylene, methyl alcohol, chlorobenzene, and benzene. All pretty much products that you might want to use a set of gloves with, because they do and are known cancer causing chemicals. So anyway, that's what they want you to use. Now they use the 70%, but I got something better I'm going to clean with. We have 91% alcohol I happen to have, so I'll use those first, but I got the 91%, which will probably clean a little bit better. It shouldn't cause any issues. Maybe I can get this thing on here before the rain gets here. Let's see if we can get this done before it rains. Now we have to peel this back right here. Just keep in mind, this is for somebody that has fingernails, which I don't have. So we'll get this started to peel it back. Just lay it like so. Get this one to lay back like so, and then we'll do this on all the corners here. So that we can reach them. So it pays to have a little utility knife handy for all of your corners. have them all set up like so that you can put this on. So what you do next is you want to lay this in here, matching up the lips of the actual car. Matching everything up. There we go. And then we just pull. Put that on there. And then we do the same thing here. We push it on. And then we go out to the outside here. We stick it on. And then we go over here. Sometimes you got to lift a little bit up on it to make it easier. Get it pushed on. There we go. Now we can pull up on here and work our way out. Stick that on there. And we pull up a little bit on this one. We work our way out, no binding, and it's stuck on there. And it's nice and even. So then we take and we just pull the protective covering off of it. That's it. I got a little scratch on mine because my cats didn't cooperate with me. But either way, there you have it. Now all we got to do is pull off our tape. Now if you did it right, you got it all overlapping the right way, it should come off pretty good. Each piece should pull itself. There we go. Feels like it's stuck on there pretty firm. Nice and even. And there we have it. This is a flush mount ABS. And you can't pull it off, so we'll let it set before we go through the car wash and everything. We'll of course figure out if it gets peeled up from a car wash. But that is how to put on the ABS bug shield / rock shield. And it looks pretty good. It's a nice slim profile. Can't really tell that it's on there, at least from a distance when you're looking at it. And I got it on before the rain got here. Finally. Anyway, that's how she looks. Well folks, I know you probably can't see me through the shadows and all this other stuff, but rest assured, got it on there. Got that ABS on there, and I think it looks pretty good, you know, as far as things go. But hey, what can I say? Anyway, not a sponsor of the product. They don't sponsor me at all. I just like them. I had them on my other vehicles, my Ford Edges, and I liked them, and I decided to put one on here. This is the first stick-on I have ever done. Usually they bolt on under the hood, but rest assured we'll give her a test and see how she runs. I still have to put one on my 2011. I'm pretty sure it's going to be just as easy as this one, but I'll do a video later on that for the 2011 model year. But this is a 2019 Ford Edge, titanium, and we got the AVS bug shield on her. So remember, like, subscribe if you find this video helpful, entertaining, or otherwise downright irritating. Comment down below. I may or may not read it, but either way, Band of One's always got some great music. Mercy Girl's got one-liners for you all. Like, subscribe, like I said, and my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too. Looks like I just made it.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.